Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today we've got some new makeup by a new entry in the beauty space, Jason Wu Beauty. If that name sounds kind of familiar to you, he's a designer. He designed one of the dresses that Michelle Obama wore, and he is venturing into the beauty space. And he's got a pretty wide first collection. There's lip products, eye products, primers, powders, no foundation yet. What I have purchased are 2 of the 3 eyeshadow palettes that are available. The website is Jason Wu Beauty. These are also available online from Target, which is where I got them. And he says he's cruelty-free and that it's clean beauty. It says formulated without propylparabens, butylparabens, phthalates, formaldehyde donors, non-niphenol exhalates. Okay, clearly not a chemistry major. Oxybenzone, SLES, retinol palmate, hydroquinone, triclosan, trichlorban, BHE, and BHT. Okay, sounds good to me. Of course, we're only looking at these online, and so I picked out the Desert Rose palette, which looked really light online and looks really light in person. And then the Prickly Pear, which looked like a similar color story, but has a dark shade and a couple of shimmery pinks. So today I'm going to do the Desert Rose, the really neutral palette, and a different day, different video, I will do the other palette. All right. Did I say that this was $14.99 for the 9 shade palette? It's a nice quality plastic case. There we go. A little bit of a bummer that there's no mirror, but of course that helps keep their costs down. And I think I will just swatch these in the groups of 3 going top to bottom. Because looking at this, they look kind of similar. Okay, so here is the light one, the shimmer, and the dark one from that top row. And based on those, okay, that helps. That light one might be a good kind of all over lid base color. Could use it for transitions. Moving to the middle row, which looks all like it's 2 mattes and a shimmer here in the middle row. It was also 2 mattes and a shimmer on the top row. These are all really light. These are all going to be highlighting, maybe inner corner of the eye, maybe brow highlight. The white one is really light. I like the shimmer has a little tiny bit of a gold cast to it. And now the 3rd row, the bottom row, seems to be the darkest row. Let's take a look. Again, 2 shimmers, sorry, 2 mattes and a shimmer. I like there's a little more warmth here. That does have a little hint of pink mauvey, and that middle one, or that lighter one, also looks like a good crease color. So like I said, I had a suspicion this was going to be a really light neutral palette. It certainly is swatching that way. This palette is probably best for lighter skin tones, or if you really like the light colors. So let's start with what? I'm curious whether that light shade up there is even really going to show up on me. So quite a bit of kick up in the pan. That's not too surprising. And let's try putting it down. Yeah, that is barely showing up. I mean, a little bit. It's kind of nice. You know, in this time of COVID where, I don't know, I'm really gravitating towards neutrals, towards dark colors. I'm not wearing anything showy. No pinks, oranges, rusts, reds, cranberry, nothing bright. I just don't feel like anything bright between the winter weather and not going anywhere. Just am not feeling it. That actually is kind of a nice, you know, you could do a one and done on that just for going to the grocery store, whatever. So, okay, kind of like that. I do want to add some depth though. I think I'm going to try this matte color. Again, kicking it up a lot in the pan, but not really seeing a ton of fallout. So that's good. I can live with that. Yeah, that just provides a little more warmth. That is a really warm, light brown, tan shade. And you can see that it is just providing a little more interest, a little depth there. So that works. I will also say it feels like these are blending really well. I should let you know that I primed my eyelids with MAC paint pot. I didn't discover MAC paint pots till Ulta had it in one of their 21 Days of Beauty, so a year ago, 6 months ago, I don't even remember, but I really like it. I like it, especially, like I said, in COVID where I'm not always wearing a ton of makeup. I can put that on. It evens out my eyelid and just lightens and brightens my face a little bit, even if I'm not doing any real makeup. Okay, yeah, let's just make this kind of a light, breezy, everyday. And you know what? I'm gonna go for that middle shade just on my finger. Down here on the movable part of my lid. All right. I can't say that this is a really buttery shimmer because it's not, but it's not, I don't know, it's not awful. It's not my favorite. I feel like I'm definitely having to, you saw me go in 3 times on the first side, and definitely going to go in 3 times on this side to try to build the color, although it is building. Okay. All right, so where I did find the mattes that I used really smooth, blendable, they didn't skip at all, at least that one shimmer, yeah. And let's try one of the other shimmers. I'm just gonna go in with this teeny tiny little brush, and let's pick up that top row one and just do inner corner. Yeah. Feels kind of like the other one did. Takes a little effort. All right, that's enough of that. I'm going to try this really light cream to highlight my brow bone. Well, that's nice. I like that. All right, I need to go grab some eyeliner and finish up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with lashes and eyeliner. I think it's a really pretty look. You know, it's certainly a very subdued, neutral, fabulous, everyday look. But there was a little fallout from the shimmers down here, wiped away very easily with a tissue, but there was fallout from it. And the more I'm thinking about it, these shimmers are really awful. I mean, normally the shimmer shades are the ones you use your finger, you get a little oil, a little warmth from your finger, and they go on so nicely, even in like some eyeshadow palettes where I haven't thought the quality was very good. Usually the shimmers come through. It's the mattes where there's issues. And it's weird because this palette's the opposite. The mattes are a dream, the shimmers, not so much. I like that it's a small palette. You know, it kind of reminds me, it's kind of the Huda Beauty, their little 9-pan palettes. It'd be great for travel, really easy to pop in your purse. It's very sturdy, but I don't know, when a third of the shades are meh and I like a shimmer, yeah, it makes it hard to recommend. So that's a bummer. Like I said, I did also pick up the Prickly Pear, and now this one, does it only have one matte? It looks like it only has one matte in it. Woo. I guess I'll be brave and I'll try this another day and shoot it, and you'll see it sometime in the near future. Thanks so much for joining me. Do all the YouTubey things, like it, subscribe, everything. Have a great day.